here today, but an incredible 2013 SL63 AMG, and it's here at Millstock Cars in Cape Town, South Africa at 1.4 million rand, and today we're going to check it out from front to back. As I said earlier, we're going to be looking at the SL63 AMG, a 2013 model, a stunning example of this particular range, and you will note that the R231 has got complete redesign elements up front, new LED lights, new running lights down below, and a complete new front end. You will note it's sharper and far more angular. However, they've still kept the SLS design features. On the bonnet you'll see the vents, the side you have a non-functional vent as well, and then right throughout you will see all of the SLS design elements. At the rear we've also had a complete design change. You will note that the taillights have become longer and more aerodynamic LED, and then of course the whole rear end has had a redesign. Pretty cosmetic though, because the actual chassis remains the same. However, they've just done the cosmetic updates front and rear, and then along the side. The R231 comes with a aluminium body now, completely aluminium, so that has also provided the car with a lot more lightweight initiative, and it's far faster than the previous version. So let's have a look at a little bit more detail. This is the AMG package, so you have the quad pipes at the back, and you will see the AMG logo on the pipes, and then of course the AMG badging on the back, and then of course SL63. This is a 5.5 litre V8 twin turbocharged. We'll have a look at the engine a little later, but let's just have a look at the interior. This particular SL63 comes with a beautiful charcoal leather package with the carbon fiber inlay. You can see how beautifully that's done. And then of course the interior as well. You have the carbon fiber inlay on the dash, beautiful leather stitched dashboard, and then of course you can see the SLS handwriting coming through in the interior, the round dash dials, etc. So all of that handwriting still coming through in the interior. Then the beautiful charcoal leather seats with all the normal features. You've got your AMG logo on the seats, and then of course you've got your air scarf that comes out in most luxury Mercedes-Benzes, and then of course you've got plenty of storage available in the doors. There we go. You have your glove box on the far right, and then you've got plenty of storage in the center. Then you have your cup holders in the center here as normal. There we go. You have this beautifully designed AMG shifter. Look how beautiful that is with a logo on top. And then, as I said, you've got all the storage here in the center. You've got a little storage area in the back. Your wind deflector built in at the back there. And then, of course, once again, I reiterate, a beautifully designed dashboard, and of course the clock up front, beautifully designed. There we go. Let's close that up. I'm not going to go through too much detail, because in most of my videos I've gone through detail in these cars. And then of course the beautiful AMG steering. You'll note it's actually not round, it's got its own shape, it's more hexagonal. There we go. You can see that with the AMG logo down below, and of course the three-pointed star in the center. So what else? Of course the AMG logo on the door sills, and then of course this incredible roof. As I said earlier, this has the glass roof option. There we go. And that you can close with a sun blind to keep you from burning in the car. But let's have a look at that in a little bit more detail. I'll actually open the roof so we can see that. Okay, so there you go. I said we to have a look at the roof and how it opens. We just viewed the beautiful glass roof, which is part of a option on this particular vehicle. So if you push the opening button hard, you can open the roof without being in the vehicle. So let's do that. So there you go. You can actually see that roof opening. It's all in aluminium, much lighter than the previous range. And then of course, as I said, it's got the glass roof. Beautiful design. So let's pop into the car and let's have a look at the detail around that. So let me open up the door. There we go. And let's try and close the roof again. And of course you'll put your finger on the lock button and then the roof will come up. There we go. Even though this door is open, the roof will still close. And there we go. So it comes over in place. And there we go. Beautiful feature on this SL. As I said, aluminium roof. And then of course you have a beautiful drive inside, quiet as silk. So there we go. Beautiful aerodynamics. And let's, while we're here, we can pop the hood and let's check out the engine. Okay, so let's check out the engine, and there's a lever down below here under the dashboard, and we've just got to pull that up and then we can go around and check at the 5.5 litre V8. Go. 5.5 litre twin turbo, 0 to 100 in about 4.2 seconds, so it's pretty fast for such a large SL. So there we go, let's open that up. And there we go, there's the engine. As they say, one man, one engine. So this engine is constructed by AMG, by one individual, and that is the twin turbo, 5.5 litre twin turbo. And you'll see the two turbos left and right. There we go. Okay, so let's have a look at the rear trunk, and on the door we have a button to open that. There we go. There you can see that. So let's give it a pull and let's go and look at the rear trunk space. So when the roof is down and you're enjoying the fresh air, then they have this safety unit that really provides the space for the roof to fall down into. There you go. Okay. When the roof is up, you can actually then fold this back. There we go. And then you have plenty of space within the boot for whatever you want to, golf clubs, groceries, etc. But when it's down, you can get very little in, maybe two carry-on luggage bags. And that's about it. So when I put it down, you'll see what I mean. So really, that's all you can really put in there, is perhaps two carry-on cases. And that is to make sure that you don't damage the roof when it comes down left and right. So that's the trunk. A lot of space when the roof is up, but when the roof is down, then the boot is quite small. There we go. Okay, so let's take the roof down and listen to that incredible 5.5 litre V8. So let's take the roof down. Let me just have a look. There we go. So there you go, the roof is opening. And let's listen to that 5.5 litre V8. Wow. So there you go, that was the Mercedes-Benz SL63 2013, available here at Millstock Cars in Cape Town, South Africa at 1.4 million rand. And should you be interested in this spectacular SL, I will leave a link below. And don't forget, if you liked our video, don't forget to give us the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.